Hey guys, Lightning Dave here. This is something you don't see every day. There's a railing that goes along there, and I'll bring you over here so you can see what the railing looks like. It's like 2 feet tall. And that little white car sat there and honked at somebody else because they stopped at the garbage can and blocked their path, and she was so pissed off, and they flipped each other off, and then she went flying out around the car that was right up there at the garbage can and drove right smack up on there. So I went to go down and film it, and the young girl was having a really bad day. So I just backed off, came over, sat in my car to do it. There was 3 sheriffs here. There's only 2 now. I guess they're waiting for a tow truck. But she's up there good. Front wheel drive, you can't get out of there. I mean, somebody could pull her off. But I don't know what kind of damage is on the bottom. So, and I am down on Dunedin Causeway. Was doing some fishing, as you can see, and I'll keep showing over here because there's people and walking right in front of me. But when I went to go up, she said, "Don't film, please, I'm having a bad day." So I was like, okay. And then some lady that stopped by her, really fat ass, called me an asshole. I told her, "Thank you very much." Come on, old lady, get out of the way. All she's doing is trying to block this. She was the one that pulled over right at the garbage can. It's right there behind her silver car. And this old lady flipped off the other girl flipped her off, and then that happened. So now we got Dunedin truck sitting in front of us. But I thought I'd get it for you. So, make this short and sweet. I'll let you go. Talk to you later.